Oh. Good morning, YouTube. This is today's harvest. I have some Roma tomatoes. My pole beans are starting to come on. And these are the long, extra long oriental beans for stir fry. Here is my Brussels sprout leaves. They taste like collards, so I'm mixing with the collards for a nice tender taste. These are my collards for today. Some nice leaves I harvest. And these are my cucumbers. Some pickling cucumbers, some of these nice white cucumbers. I like to mix and match them. I've already started pickling some. My daughter likes sweet pickles and my husband likes dill. So I have dill with some peppers in the bottom for him.
Thank you. I like dill.
Like and subscribe. It's harvest time at Bent Tree Gardens.